What's up everyone, this is Ro here, and in today's video I'll be showing you the new camera app by Adobe called Photoshop Camera. Let's get right into it. So what I've got out of this app is it's really good if you need to add clouds to your scenery. It works really well, as you can see here. You can use a different amount of cloud filters that look very real to your photos. You move the camera around and you can place the clouds on the subject of what fits best. Here's another example of how well the clouds work. The sky is clear and you can move the clouds around any way you like. Adobe focuses on food shots. It recognizes food fast and gives you what they think is the best filter for your food. Look at the bottom left, an icon appeared. With this donut, the app knew it was a food and took me right to the food filters and picked what it thought was the best filter. You don't need to shoot photos directly out of the Photoshop app. You can use your own pictures you took from your stock camera app and still use all the effects in the Photoshop camera app. This picture was shot from the Photoshop camera. The app has its basics editing features you would find in any editing app. You can change the colors, the blacks, the whites, temperature, and the clarity. This app is geared more towards the effects and the prompts you can add to your photos. This photo of myself was taken with my iPhone stock app, and look at all the cool features you can use. You'll notice in some of the filters, I can pause the background movement and take a photo. Overall, this is a great app, and I'll be using it. You should give it a try as well. I think this app is for someone who doesn't have a full understanding of the full Photoshop program. Photoshop is a beast, and it is very, very difficult to learn. It takes a lot of time. With Photoshop Camera, I think it's more of a quick fix for your photos and an awesome tool to use to post pictures on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks again for all the support I've been getting, guys. Thank you. I'm going to leave you off watching some more effects what this app can do. Thanks again for watching this video.